Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Kubernetes deployments with kubectl rolling updates step by step clearly. Open your terminal. Ensure you have the latest version of kubectl installed. Connect to your Kubernetes cluster by running the command kubectl config use context your cluster name. Verify that you are connected to the correct cluster using kubectl cluster info. List the current deployments in your namespace with kubectl get deployments. Identify the deployment you want to update. Make the necessary changes to your application code or configuration files. Build a new Docker image with your updated code. Tag the new image with the appropriate version. Push the new image to your container registry. Update your deployment configuration file, specifying the new image in the spec section. Alternatively, you can use the command line to update the deployment directly with kubectl set image deployment / your deployment name your container name. To roll out the update, check the status using kubectl rollout status deployment / your deployment name. If you need to pause the rollout, run kubectl rollout pause deployment / your deployment name. Make any additional necessary adjustments. Once ready, resume the rollout with kubectl rollout resume deployment / your deployment name. To verify that your application is running the new version, use kubectl get pods. To roll back in case of an issue, use kubectl rollout undo deployment / your deployment name. Confirm the rollback by checking the status of the deployment again with kubectl get deployments. Your Kubernetes deployment should now be successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.